नमस्कार. येडोंच्या आयच्या कार्यावळीत तुमकां सगळ्यांक येवकार. गोंय सरकारान मायनिंगाचेर बॅन घाल्यार सारको 1 म्हयनो पुराय जाला आनी ताचे उपरांत जें कितें घडलां तें तुमकां सगळ्यांक खबर आहा. ताचे उपरांत सुप्रीम कोर्टानूय बंदी घाली. ह्या सगळ्या हातूंत भितर मायनिंगाचेर जे डिपेंडंट आशिल्ले तांकां एक एक दीस काडटा म्हळ्यार कुस्तार जायत चल्ला. आनी आज ह्या विशयाचेर उलोवपा खातीर बार्ज धनी संघटनेचे अध्यक्ष अतुल जाधव आमचे बरोबर आसा. सर, स्वागत तुमचें. म्हाका सांगात, हाव इज द सिच्युएशन आफ्टर 10th September 2012?
Situation at present is very, very bad because all the barges are laid up. The crew is laid off because we cannot afford to pay them. So hardly 2-3 workers per barge are kept just to maintain the barge. And there's absolutely, we are moving from pillar to post. We have met 3 members of parliament, explained to them our plight, asking them to help us. We also gone to the president of the parties to tell us that politically also try to keep the politics out of the business and don't have the one man upmanship in the politics by which all these people who are related to the mining don't suffer in the bargain. So our request to them was that okay, we have decided that each and every MLA we would like to tell them that please keep politics out of this. Let us not blame what happened. Let us see how we can sort out the issue.
What are you suggesting to them? How we can sort out the issue?
See, now of course the matter has gone to the Supreme Court, but we feel that Sagyani Khantari, they should go to the Supreme Court and make an application and tell them what is happening in Goa. Second thing, all party meet should be sort of organized, by which people can decide one thing, forget what has happened, but what can be done to sort out the things. One is how to find employment for the barges or the other machinery owners or truck owners, how to help them during this crisis. Because now whatever has happened, with the Supreme Court order, neither state government or central government can help us. So now how do we sustain till this Supreme Court order is withdrawn?
तुमचो अंदाज कितें? कितले दीस ही ऑर्डर अशीच उरतली? कितले दीस ही परिस्थिती अशीच उरतली?
आमकां कितें भंय दिसता की ज्या तरेन कर्नाटकान जी सिच्युएशन जाल्ली न्ही ताका ती नॉर्मल अजून नॉर्मल येवना, पण 3 वर्सां जालीं ताका आनी आमकां तेजी चावल लागिल्ली तेन्ना 2 वर्सां पयलींच. आनी आमकांय तेन्ना दिशिल्लें की आमी वी शुड नॉट गो इन टू दॅट पेस, constructing more barges and all that. In fact, in December, in 2009-10 only, where after the government, and that time the minister Nilkan Halankar requested him not to allow more barges to come in the market. I'm talking about our business. Because you see, Goan export has been traditionally 16 to 18 million tons till December 2002. 16 to 18 million tons. We were a small group of people, 120 barges, there were 140 barges, we came down to 120. 127 to be precise in 2002. The tonnage went up. What happened is small barges started going out of the market. Nove barges with bigger capacities came into the market. We were successful in establishing those barges. But come the China boom, and titun the spurt zala pa activities. That has led to the figure
this
like
is
in
post 2002, 2003.
2002 to 2003 itself.
Yeah.
We jumped from 127 barges to 167 barges. So that is 40 barges to build in just 1 year. And itle yardan, earlier we used to take 1 year to build a barge.
Correct.
We started building barges in 6 months. And today's record is we can build a barge in 90 days. So we have achieved a world-class, what you call production facilities in Goa. That is an achievement, there is no doubt. 2000, we thought that would be a spurt. But 2003, 2004, again the export went up. So another 60 barges or 60-70 barges came up in 1 year. So almost 70 plus 40, almost double the capacity was just in 2 years.
मतलब एक जो हे आता मेजर आर्ग्युमेंट येता ते म्हणतात ते इल्लीगल मायनिंगाचो आणि तोही जो इल्लीगल वर एक्सपोर्ट जातालो तो तुमच्याच बार्जीनी जातालो न्ही.
Correct. But what has happened is आमकां कितें आसता when we take the load, आमी जेन्ना loading jettyचेर वता, there are about 20 loading jetties this side, 20 loading jetties on that side. We are told by the exporter की माझो कार्गो आसा, तू या अमुक जेटीचेर वच. आमी म्हणटा एमको जेट्टी, ओरिएंट गोवा जेट्टी, सौगुले जेट्टी, वॉट एवर इट इज. आमी जेन्ना थंय वता आनी लोड घेता तेन्ना आमकां कस्टम बोट नोट मेळटा. And that is the ultimate document for us to carry cargo, which is authorized by the central government. So when we get, आमकां जेन्ना authority मेळटा, custom boat note म्हणटा आमी ताका, which is followed all over India, this custom boat note practice. That means we are carrying authorized cargo अशें आमकां दिसता न्ही. That is the authority we got, because it is not a private document. It is and it is told that you will be going to a particular ship. Now whatever export which is taking place from Goa, तो सगळो export बोटींतल्यानूच जाता. The foreign going ships, they are taking the cargo, and that no ship is allowed to sail without custom permission. That means central government was fully aware that this export has jumped from 18 million tons to 54.5 million tons as far back as 10-11. So we felt, at least, आम्ही शाह कम्युनिटीचे रिपोर्ट वाचत आसा, इल्लीगल मायनिंग चालू आसा, कोण सांगता तेन्ना डम्प्स एक्सपोर्ट करता. So for us what happens is, when the iron ore we get the slip boat note, आमकां फक्त कळटा
तुम्ही कितें म्हणटात की ही जी जंप आसा आनी ही जी इल्लिगॅलिटी ज्यो गजाली आसात त्यो सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंटाक खबर आशिल्ल्यो आनी तांचो प्रत्येक डिपार्टमेंट एट एवरी स्टेप ती अलाव करत आशिल्लो.
हय, आनी तांकां कस्टम ड्युटी घेताले न्ही ते. See, 15% duty was there, then 20% it became, then it became 30%. So obviously the central government obviously was knowing what is the quantum jump, what is the quantum income. Now you can go and check with income tax department also. Income tax department so revenue वाढला इथून. So it is not only that they have come to know only from custom department, you have also known from income tax department. Now जो कितें iron ore export जाता त्याचेर परत royalty भरता. So Indian Bureau of Mines also has known what is the quantum export jumps which are taking place. So what we are saying is, suppose there was the EC quota of, let us say, 30 million tons. We do not know. Still nobody is talking about what is legal and what is illegal.
What is illegal, yeah.
अजून आमकां काय कोणी सांगना की बा this 25 is the authorized figure or 30 is the authorized figure. Nobody is talking
about it. There is still confusion about it.
So suppose if it is crossing 30, then you can go to the sheet and say, "Arey, 2005, 2006, 30 million tons export was crossed." Then what we were doing from 2005-6, why couldn't both the governments, state as well as the center, stop the exports at that particular point of time or regulate it? And ते जर control त्यांना जर जाल्लो, जाल्यार today exactly. And you have led to believe that everything is going is hunky dory.
तुम्ही सध्या कितली दवरला, हांवें मुद्दम विचारता कारण तुम्ही कितली मानसीक तयारी दवरल्या, कितली दीस किंवा कितली म्हयने हे बंद उरतले अशें तुमचो अंदाज कितें? कारण तुम्ही एक असेसमेंट केल्ली आसतली की कन्सिडरिंग प्रेसिडेंट्स अमके दीस तरी हे आमच्या आंगार आयले, कितलो अंदाज तुमचो?
पयलीं आमकां दिशिल्लें की इट मायट जस्ट क्रॉस 1 month. म्हळ्यार जेन्ना
स्टेट
गव्हर्मेंटान जेन्ना ती ऑर्डर पास केली 10 सप्टेंबराक, तेन्ना आमकां दिसलें की फक्त question of time, maybe 1 month we'll lose. Then came 12th visit of Jayanti Natarajan, and she announced at 4:30 that we are withdrawing the license of all the mines, 139 cases.
Correct.
And Ami, as a barge owner delegation, we met her hardly within 1 hour, and we explained to her ki, madam, तुम्ही जे कितें suddenly withdraw करता decision, ते तुम्ही सगळे कोटा बंद करता ते please कर नाका, कित्याक there are other dependent people, and so many dependent people were there, which she was not aware of, which was surprising.
Okay.
And then she told me, now if I am okay, I understand what it is, but I cannot, just now I announced, now even though I wanted, I wouldn't like to withdraw my decision at this stage.
Correct.
So at that point of time, we felt that it's a, this is a political.
This will go beyond a month.
It will go beyond a month. And we felt that it was like between the state government and central government, there is going to be a tussle. This is what we felt.
The Cold War is going to start.
Yeah. Come September, October, this order which has Supreme Court has come, that has shattered our hopes totally. And if you see, आमकां दिसता की जर कर्नाटकाची स्टोरी जर आमी पळयत, then we should be ready for 2 years.
2 वर्सां खातीर रेडी आसपाक.
If suppose by chance बाकीचे लोक डिपेंडंट सगळ्यांनी वचून जर सुप्रीम कोर्टा कडेन धांव घेवन आमी जर तांकां कन्विन्स करपाक शकले, स्टेट गव्हर्मेंट, सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंट, प्लस ऑल द डिपेंडंट्स, प्लस द मायनर्स, plus all the Goan people, if everybody comes together and says, no, we want this mining to start, then there is chance of convincing the Supreme Court and getting this order withdrawn, all the political parties sitting together and sorting out the issue. So then
otherwise,
it can be done.
Otherwise, तुमचं estimate की 2 वर्ष तरी बंद उरले.
Yeah, we can't say, because Supreme Court, this is like when you are entering a bus, you ask a judge whether 18 standing are allowed, 19 should be allowed or not. The answer is no.
Correct.
Now, but the common man, if I ask you, 19th is the old lady, should she be allowed or not? You will say, why 19th old lady? If her husband also 80-year-old is there, you please take him, we'll accommodate. And this is our Indian style. की वी accommodate.
But for this to happen, everybody will have to come
We'll have
together,
to come together
and then go to the Supreme Court.
Go to Supreme Court, go the facts, see that what is the dependency, and even the Goan people, I would say, including these NGOs, etc., they have to have a heart as to see how many people are dependent on this.
म्हाका एक गजाल सांग, तुम्ही एनजीओची चूक म्हणटात,
आम्ही कितें
तुम्ही
म्हणटा,
एनजीओक ब्लेम करतात.
we are not blaming NGOs. We are feeling that, okay, they are doing a good job. But at the same time, they have to see alternates. What are the alternates available at this stage? They could have gone to the Supreme Court 5 years back also. If they had so many proofs that the illegal mining is going on, they could have gone to the Supreme Court 5 years back only. There was no need to go now. This is like, Supreme Court's order is like, आता मनीस already मेला, ताका ऑर्डर मारपाची ऑर्डर दिल्या, एकाने फारान मारला, दुसरो म्हणटा ना ताका हँग करपाकूच जाय, सुप्रीम कोर्ट सांगता हँग ही शुड बी हँग.
असं फारान मारले म्हणजे काढला आणि परत हँग
परत हँग
करपाक
करपाक जाय अशें सुप्रीम कोर्ट म्हणजे वेन स्टेट गव्हर्नमेंट हॅज गिवन द ऑर्डर फॉर बॅनिंग द मायनिंग, ओके, सेंट्रल गव्हर्नमेंट ऑल्सो हॅज कम डावन अँड सेड ओके ताका फारान मारूया म्हणून, आणि सुप्रीम कोर्ट म्हणा ना पण तू ताका परत हँग कर इवन दो इज डेड. सो इट इज लायक फ्लॉगिंग द हॉर्स, यू नो, अननेसरी. दिस इज वॉट वी फेल्ट इज अ अननेसरी डिसिजन.
म्हाका एक गजाल, तुम्ही कितले दीस सस्टेन जावपाक शकतात ह्या सिच्युएशना भितर? आता 1 म्हयनो जावन गेलो, रायट नाव फूल स्विंग ऑपरेशन सुरू जावपाचें.
हय, एक्चुअली 16 सप्टेंबरच्यान आमचो सीझन
सुरू जावपाचें. तुम्ही कितली सस्टेन करपाक शकतात? टुडे इज 15th.
Actually, I'll tell you, we'll go back to last year. And last year in September month, 27 September, the previous government stopped exports of mining dumps. And that was the time actually we were broken. And from 54 million tons, we came down to 42 million tons export. And almost 3 months, आमकां कांयच business नाशिल्लो. So much so that our business rate is fixed between the Goa Barge Owners Association and Goa Mineral Ore Exporters Association, and that is based on 123 trips. But so 80 barges came in this period, 80 more barges. We came to now 395 barges, but 80 more barges were built in just 1 year. And with this 1 year, so much barges going up, fleet went to 7 lakh tons. So our trips came down to 50 trips.
So almost
less than
60% less.
Yeah, almost 60%.
60% less.
So what happened was, we couldn't repay our loans, we could not pay interest properly. So our losses did not start now, it started 1 year back. And then we approached we saw it coming, and therefore we had a big agitation. We highlighted to the state government, but I think for reasons best known to them, they did not withdraw the dumps order. And then we went to Reserve Bank, we went to Ministry of Finance, and we got all our loans rescheduled. Now, though with 50 lakhs, see, if tomorrow, what was the rate? 76 rupees 25 paisa or 75 rupees was the rate in 2011. 2000 average tonnage of a barge is about 1700, 1800 tons. So what we get is 1,30,000. If 30-40,000 goes in diesel, what we used to get in hand is 1 lakh. So we used to get 120 lakhs a year, with which, if suppose there is a loan of 3 crores at 13% interest, 40 lakhs interest, 40 lakhs repayment of loan, then 20 lakhs wages. You know, we could survive with this kind of system. But when you came to 50 lakhs, our wages
पण
itself
बार्जी भरपूर वाढल्यो,
खूपच. कित्याक
सगळ्यांची ग्रीड वाढली.
greed अशें न्ही, कित्याक what happened in 2009 when we saw that the excess barges are coming, we have jumped from 127 barges to 300 barges in 2009. आमी गव्हर्नमेंटाक रोखडे अप्रोच केल्ले, and we had told them to curtail the barges, stop new construction of barges, stop outside barges to come inside, and then let us control the barges, because shortage of crew was there. Both the rivers were getting congested, accidents were taking place, so there was all over danger. And fortunately, the captain of ports, जो आमचे barges control करता, he had with that inland waterways minister had passed an order listening to us not to allow this to happen, and no more construction of barges. But for reasons best known to the government, they withdrew that order.